All right, I have my Raspberry Pi 5 16 gigabyte right here. Just got it from Micro Center, and there you go, 16 gigs of RAM right there. It's a nice little box if you haven't seen one. And right here are all the settings. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at those right there. 64 gigs, 100, 16 gigabytes of SD RAM, two micro HDMI ports, USB 3.0, and USB 2.0. Right, so we have both of those with Bluetooth. Um, so this is a pretty good case. And then we have to go ahead and open it. I'm gonna let you guys see what's on the inside here. Ah, here we go. There it goes right there, right? Nice, simple packaging. But there's more writing on the inside and more information about the product on the inside, so we have to open that up. And it's okay, I opened on the wrong edge. So I'm just gonna keep going here. And now you can look at all the information that comes with it. So it's about different stuff, manufacturing, and different input on there as well. Okay, so that's good. Now let's take a look at these ports. We have the Ethernet port right there. We have the two USB 3.0, two USB 2.0. Then we have the micro SD card slot and the two micro HDMI cables and the USB-C for power. The pins right there if you want to add anything, the hats. And we have the additional stuff for like the cameras. And you can see it's a beautiful board with the chipset. And if I can get it closer and a better look, you can see it says Raspberry Pi 5, 16 gigabytes of RAM. And there you go. It was a nice thing. We got several projects I'll be working on with this. We have a lot of just putting the OS on there, the Raspberry Pi OS, checking it out, seeing how smooth it actually is. I'll be looking into different projects for containerization, whether it's Podman. And you can see here how small it is. It's just the same size of my Q-tip box. It's very nice, okay? It's tiny. Right there, we just overlay it and look at it. It's not that big at all. It's actually pretty nice, clean design again. Just like the other ones, I have the Raspberry Pi 4. I like the way this one is designed with the pins, and then you have the secure points where you can lock it down, and you have the standoffs that you can mount it to different things that you want. And again, this time I think I can get it cleaner, but maybe not. All right. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. I have several videos coming out for you, and this is a really good one. If you're on the fence about buying one, go ahead and get it. Microsoft has it for $100 right now. That's what I got mine for. You can't beat it.